Excel is a spreadsheet program from Microsoft and a component of its product group for business applications. So Microsoft Excel enable user to format, organize and calculate data in a spreadsheet. So Microsoft Excel used for organize and calculate your Excel data. Also a spreadsheet application such as Microsoft Excel use a collection of cell arranged into row and column to organize and manipulate data. They can also display data as chart, histogram and line graph. So Excel spreadsheet will help you to display your chart, histogram and line graph and give you a lot of information through this Microsoft Excel program. A little spreadsheet program from Microsoft and a component of its Office product group for business application. Microsoft Excel enable user to from it organize and calculate data on the spreadsheet. So basically Microsoft Excel will help you out to create data, create formulas and so on. Very easily you can create a spreadsheet and all your calculation or your accounting system will be very easily been stored in Microsoft Excel program.